Guys, gabi na. Ngayon lang ako uuwi. Galing sa trabaho. Nagbus ako. Nilibre ako ng bus driver ng pamasahe. 15 euro dapat. Pero thanks God, the driver just let me in and he said, no, don't pay. So now I'm going home. I'm nearly here sa bahay namin. Hihingal ako. So, pasensya na kayo guys. It's almost 15 past 8 ng gabi. Still, liwanag pa rin. So, I'm happy to be home. Like 2 long days I work 12 hours per day, 12 hours a day for 2 days. It's too much. I'm exhausted now. My legs are it's aching. My what do you call this? My feet, my muscles, just all sore. So I'm so glad I will have 1 day rest and then back to Tuesday, Monday for another long day. So look at the house here, beautiful. So, all the cars. Really looking forward to be home, eat my dinner and go to bed. Oh my God, I'm really tired now. Okay, don't know what to say. Just so tired. Tiring day, so busy at work. Heavy work. So it's just so cold. So I need to put my hoodie. I'm nearly here to my house. I will keep my video because sometimes it's dangerous walking here on your own. Teenagers will be around and bullying and you know, that kind of way. So I have to keep my phone open. Alright, I'm nearly here to my house. Few more walks and then I'll be here. No lights. I wonder why. Where is the people in the house? No. I'm going. Sorry. Just to look around if there's any car passing by. So here we are in my house, and this is Judy Ann's car. Okay. Okay, bye bye.